If you're not using AI in your workflow in 2025 as a software engineer, you might be missing out on some serious productivity gains, or worse, doing more work than you actually need to. Here's the thing, at the end of the day, you're responsible for outcomes, not the amount of code you personally type. But let's be real, if you use AI the wrong way, it can slow your growth, hurt your team, or even lead to shipping risky code. So here are some scenarios where you can easily start to leverage AI in your development workflow. Let's say you're working in an existing code base or you've just onboarded to a new team. This is where using AI can help you excel. You can use AI coding agents to generate documentation or ask them to explain why certain code is there or what it's doing. This is genuinely what they're good at. If you're staring at complicated classes or can't understand certain shorthands, or you're looking deep into nested functions that's making your head spin, there's no shame in getting some help. Don't waste your time reading through language-specific documentation trying to piece things together. Just copy and paste that code snippet into your company's approved AI assistant and let it break it down for you. These are low-risk, high-leverage uses. However, and I think this is very crucial, I don't think you should use AI to generate any new code in the code base without understanding how the system works first. That's how bugs creep in, or worse, how you end up shipping features you don't understand and can't maintain. This is where many developers get themselves into trouble. Now, let's assume you have a clear understanding of the system. You've read through the relevant code bases, written code for a few features, and already have a clear plan. You're given a task to implement a feature that you already know how you would approach. This is where AI coding agents can become your superpower. You can tell it exactly what to do, giving it detailed instructions. Create a utility class that does X and make it integrate with Y and update the config. You're not asking the AI to design the system. You're just using it to speed up the parts you could have done yourself anyway. That's where these coding agents are most useful, when you give them direction, not when you rely on them for decisions. They're like really skilled junior developers who can execute your plan perfectly, but they need that plan from you. Also, don't sleep on the boring stuff. AI agents are excellent at writing PR summaries, generating boilerplate code, updating documentation, or even writing test cases once you've written the logic, and that's very important. Make sure you write the logic first and have the AI agent write the test. If you have them write the test, they'll just write tests that pass. These are tasks that often get delayed, not because they're hard, but because they're tedious. Let AI handle that for you. Just remember, you're still the engineer. At the end of the day, you're responsible for every single line of code that you check into your repository. Always keep that in mind. Review and test everything that AI generates and make sure you understand what it's doing before you commit it. Check out umacodes.com for in-depth courses, coaching, and more, and follow umacodes for more programming videos like this.